Have you ever stopped to consider how your daily habits might be affecting your brain health? Imagine the things we do every day, the routines we've formed, the habits we've cultivated. How many of these, do you suppose, could be subtly damaging that marvel of complexity and power that is your brain? Intriguing, isn't it? The thought that we might be unknowingly harming ourselves through our daily practices. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 common habits that might be damaging your brain. The first bad habit to consider is the lack of sleep. Our brains need rest to function optimally, much like our bodies. Not getting enough sleep can negatively impact cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and decision-making. Chronic sleep deprivation can even lead to long-term issues like mood disorders and decreased brain health. It's not just about quantity, but also about quality. A restless night won't do your brain any favors, so prioritize restful, quality sleep every night for optimal brain health. Next on our list is high sugar consumption. A diet rich in sugar can have a profound impact on your brain health. Overconsumption of sugar can lead to cognitive decline and memory loss. This is because sugar, particularly the refined kind, triggers inflammatory responses in the brain, disrupting its normal function. Over time, this can contribute to a gradual decline in cognitive function. So the next time you reach for that extra slice of cake, remember the potential impact on your brain. It's time to reconsider that sweet tooth of yours. Physical inactivity is another harmful habit. It's not just about keeping your body fit, it's about keeping your mind sharp too. When we're inactive, blood flow to the brain decreases, which can lead to cognitive decline. Imagine a busy highway suddenly down to a single lane. It's not going to work as efficiently, right? The same happens with our brain. Regular physical activity is like keeping those mental highways clear and running smoothly. So don't forget to get moving for the sake of your brain. Smoking is a habit that severely damages your brain. The toxins in cigarette smoke cause inflammation and oxidative stress on brain cells, leading to an increased risk of stroke. The damage doesn't stop there. Over time, smoking can result in cognitive decline, impairing memory, and reducing the brain's ability to process information. This is not to mention other potential neurological effects, such as an increased risk of Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. Remember, it's never too late to kick the habit. Your brain will thank you for quitting. Are you drinking enough water? It's a simple question, but the answer has profound implications for your brain. Dehydration can hamper the brain's function and performance. It can affect your concentration, making it hard to focus. It can also impact your memory, making it difficult to recall information. Water is essential for the brain. It helps maintain the balance of chemicals and processes that keep us sharp and alert. So don't neglect your water intake. Remember to hydrate, your brain depends on it. Excessive caffeine is another habit to consider. While a cup of coffee or tea can perk you up, too much caffeine can lead to sleep disturbances and feelings of anxiety. This is because caffeine stimulates your nervous system, fooling it into a state of emergency. Over time, this can wear down your brain, leading to fatigue, mood swings, and even memory problems. It's important to remember that caffeine is a drug, and like any drug, it can have harmful effects if abused. Moderation is key when it comes to caffeine. Your diet plays a crucial role in your brain health. A continuous intake of unhealthy foods can lead to cognitive decline and a decrease in brain function. Foods high in sugar, saturated fats, and processed ingredients can cause inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Conversely, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides the nutrients needed for optimal brain function. Remember, what you eat not only affects your body, but your mind as well. Choose a balanced diet for a healthier brain. Excessive alcohol is another brain-damaging habit. It's a truth we often ignore, but the effects of excessive drinking on our brains are profound. Consuming alcohol in large amounts can lead to memory loss and a significant decline in cognitive function. Over time, it can even cause irreversible brain damage. It's not about giving up enjoyment, but about moderation. So next time you're reaching for that extra glass, remember to drink responsibly for your brain's sake. Are you a workaholic? The allure of success can often lead us to overwork, but what's the cost? Overworking doesn't just lead to stress and burnout, it can actually cause a decline in our cognitive functions. Our brains, much like the rest of our bodies, need rest to function at their best. Working non-stop without taking a break can lead to decreased productivity and, even worse, serious health problems. It's crucial to remember that your brain needs downtime too. Remember to take breaks and relax. Last but not least, lack of mental stimulation can harm your brain. Just like our bodies, our brains need exercise too. Without mental challenges, the brain's cognitive abilities can decline. Think of it as a muscle that needs to be flexed regularly. Puzzles, reading, learning new skills, or even playing a musical instrument can help keep your brain sharp. It's about challenging yourself, staying curious and continually learning. So don't let your brain idle. Keep your brain active and engaged. So, those are the 10 bad habits that might be damaging your brain. From the deprivation of sleep, a necessity for brain regeneration, to the high intake of sugar that can lead to cognitive decline. We've looked at the harm physical inactivity can cause and the devastating effects of smoking on your brain health. We've also touched upon the importance of hydration and the potential harm of excessive caffeine. The impact of a poor diet and the dangers of excessive alcohol consumption were also discussed, along with the detriment of overworking and the need for regular mental stimulation. Each habit, though seemingly innocuous in isolation, can cumulatively lead to significant brain damage over time. Knowledge is power, and understanding these habits gives you the power to make better choices for your brain health. Take care of your brain. It's the only one you've got. Until next time, stay healthy and wise. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Remember, kindness is cool.